Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about this drywall repair kit. The operation is simple. It comes with all the things you need and it is amazing. So we are going to be doing some little home renovations here and we are ready to just get it started. So let's open it up so I can show you guys what comes inside. Alright you guys, we got the 2-pack one, but there's also the 1-pack or 1-pack with wall patch or 2-pack with wall patch. We got just the 2-pack, but there's so much you guys can choose from. And this is the actual wall mending agent. This is what you're going to put inside your wall and wait till it dries. This is an incredible product and it comes with an applicator and the instruction manual. Of course, you get everything you need, including the scraper to make the wall as leveled as possible and the sandpaper to sand it down to make sure it is spotless. You guys, this is an incredible little kit. I really like how much product you get from it. Take a look at this. You get 2 of these and they're each 100 grams or 3.53 Oz, so definitely a lot of product. So I gotta go mend our walls and I hope you guys check this product out.